The cargo bays appear intact.
Okay.
Copy that. Let's check the refrigeration systems.
The front axle damage is extensive. It appears to be structural marine erosion. Log that into the tablet. We need to brace this area.
The corrosion here is extensive, especially on the dashboard. Look at the mold on the seats. We'll need a different approach.
I'm seeing significant structural corrosion on the block. Check the intake manifold. There's heavy barnacle growth. Affirmative. Camera on the manifold now?
The rust is deep here. We'll need to reinforce this section. Check the suspension on the other side. Copy. Looks like a hairline fracture. The primary stress points are concentrated here. Note the structural fatigue. I'm tracking the laser coordinates on the trailer's breach. Capture this angle right here. Perfect, perfect.
Okay.
Let's review the detail. Keep it steady, down slowly. Watch the cables, don't let it swing. Almost there, just a bit lower. Careful. All right, hold it steady, pull it towards you.
Got it.
Watch the rust. We're nearly through over here.
God, this thing is soaked. Don't drop it, watch your footing. Heavy as hell, mind the wires. Almost there, careful.
Keep it steady. It's moving now. Almost free. Got it.
I'm seeing a spike on the detector here.
Get the light on this spot.
Verified. There's a hairline crack running right along this weld. Keep it steady. Almost there.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Check alignment.
It holds.
All right, chain them up. Getting the pistons. Gears are next. Let's bring it over. Hold it there. All right, she's aligned.
All right.
Nice and steady. Okay, let's get it tight.
Yeah, looks solid.
Yeah, that looks solid. Done on this side.
Good.
Good, let's send it.
All right, torque it down now. Got it, looks good.
The pressure looks good. Check the spray angles. Got it. Adjusting the flow now. Almost got this one. Need to check the lower right as well, just in case. Good call. Hand me the smaller ratchet. The pressure looks stable. Let's check the hose connections. Got it. Adjusting this valve. Missed the radiator fins there. Keep an eye on the gauges. Make sure that section is tight.
Routing this through the sleeve takes precision.
Grab me another clip from the bench, please. Tightening this last one. Done.
The readings are steady. Looks perfect, they're all solid. Great job, the installation holds up.
All systems checked. Everything's green. Looks like we're ready to go.
Line it up, keep it steady. Watch the seal on the bottom. Slow and easy now. Looks perfect. Release the suction.
Keep it steady. Looking good. Bring it down slightly. Perfect. Applying the sealant now.
Slow down. Left side, just a hair. Got it, aligning the rear mounts now. Looks good from here, send it down.
Brake efficiency at 96%. Excellent performance, green light across the board. That's a pass. Approved.
Front lasers are calibrated. Rear alignment complete. Perfect. All systems green. Proceed.
You can see that water just bead and slide right off. It's perfectly coated.